Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Naughty Threads, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this Saree Kuchu design using ball chain and stone chain. We usually do this for bridal sarees. It's a very pretty design. Anybody will love it. So without any delay, let's get started. I have taken 50 strands of silk thread and a big-eyed kuchu needle here, and I have joined both the ends. So in total I have 100 strands here. And you will also need these wooden beads. Zari and a needle. And I'm going to make it at 1 finger distance. So just pierce. Very carefully get the needle out. Make sure not to damage the saree. We leave about so much length. Fold it and tie it using zari. I'm going to make a knot 3 times. So after knotting it 3 times, I'm going to pass the needle below the zari and trim it. Now I'm going to stuff this wooden bead here. So lightly I'm going to apply the glue. Spread this. Place the glued end on the tassel like this in the center. Spread this evenly so that when we do this part, the bead gets covered from all the sides. Now I'm going to make a knot again, same way like we tied here. So 3 times again. Pull it tight and trim it off. So this is going to be the first step. So in this step we will be sticking this ball chain and stone chain. I am using a 0 mm ball chain and a small size stone chain. We'll first apply glue all over the bead. So once we have applied glue, we'll start with the ball chain. Just stick the ball chain and bend it. And right below that I'm going to stick the stone chain and give it a good press. Now same way you will have to roll it until you reach the end of the bead. I'm going to repeat it one more time. So I have done 4 rounds here because I don't want this zari to be seen. You can only use ball chain if you want, or only stone chain or colored stone chain. That's absolutely your choice. So once you've reached the end, just trim or cut the ball chain and stone chain. And glue it at the back. Here is the final look of this design. In total I have used 54 beads and about 5 to 6 meters of ball chain and stone chain to finish the entire sari. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. I'll see you in my next video soon. Take care guys. Bye bye.